Oh, hi there. My name is Siddesh Chaudhary and I am pursuing my Masters of Engineering Management here at Purdue. Indeed, it is my pleasure to pursue this engineering leadership course with you. Well, before coming to Purdue University, I was residing in the city of Mumbai. Apparently, I am born and brought up within Mumbai and I completed my bachelor's as bachelor's in technology with majors being the mechanical engineering. Post completion of my bachelor's, I joined PwC India as a technology consultant, more specifically as a SAP product consultant. So, as a SAP product consultant, I worked with a number of clients such as pharma clients or chemical clients to implement their SAP vendor invoice management modules depending on their needs and maybe some of their pain points and the industry standards, obviously, because each and every client wants to be as advanced as possible, as up to date as possible. Well, so what SAP vendor invoice management is, you might be thinking, right? So SAP vendor invoice management is basically a module that takes in invoices, either a physical invoice or maybe email. It will extract the data out of it, that is, let's say, amount and line items, basically what items are there within the invoice, dates, what purchase order or a reference number is, etc., and it will send it to a system and create an electric copy of invoice. Now this electric copy of invoice would be processed in the background with a number of workflows. So a workflow 1 goes, 2 goes, 3 goes, and each of these, when they are completed, the invoice is automatically sent ahead for payment. Well, however, let's say if somewhere the invoice gets stuck because some data is missing or something like that, then it would be routed to a user, and at that case it would be like, hey user, you have to process a invoice, and apparently users don't like that. Anyways, so while I was working with some of my pharma clients, one of the pharma client actually had this issue wherein duplicate invoices used to sit in their inbox. And I mean, if it would have been 1 2 or maybe 5 to 10 invoices, it would have been okay, that's something the client used to say. But when they came up with the numbers, even we were shocked that why are there thousands of invoices within their inbox. So after some analysis, we came to understand that their vendors used to send in multiple invoices, and when because the vendors didn't used to get any notification for that hey, whether they have received the invoice or not. So vendors would send in 5 to 10 invoices. Those 5 to 10 invoices would come into the system, and that many multiple copies would be made. Well, obviously, and one invoice should be posted one at a time, and multiple invoices should be posted because it would cause a duplication and extra payment and everything like that. So it was a hassle. What happened for this, my team came up with a code wherein I categorized the invoices as valid, invalid based on date, and based on the category which is provided to the invoice when it is ingested into the system. So once these categories are provided, I would just keep the valid ones and remove the invalid ones, and that's how I solved one of the duplication issues. Well, has become one of the custom solutions which now PwC India provides to its clients. I believe they might be providing it to some of the other pharma clients now. I hope my team of 5 is doing well. Well, so in PwC, actually, I was leading a team of 3 and team of 5. In PwC India did make me go from a number of roles like a developer, tester, then a techno-functional manager, a bit of project management, and then the leadership role. So, well, I will just go and ping them because apparently the team just popped in my head. I have actually provided some KTs before coming over here. I was working on one of the projects, but I had to leave, so I completed the project to a testing phase and then left. Well, now that I am over here at Purdue and pursuing this engineering leadership course with you all, I would like to know more about you, understand what are your aspirations, and level up with you all as well. Well, I'm time bound right now. It's already 4 minutes 45 seconds into this video. So I will just close the video now, and well, wish you a good night and wish you a really great weekend. Thank you so much. And if you wish to connect me, you can connect me on my LinkedIn or on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye.